A new gallery wrap feature designed specifically for the Canon IPF printers. When you install the IPF plugin for Photoshop, another feature is automatically installed into Photoshop and is accessible from the menu File, Automate, and selecting the imagePROGRAF Layout plugin. When printing to the canvas paper with your IPF printer, this feature will generate a variety of gallery wrap options including canvas size, edge wrap thickness, and the ability to add crop marks, which will allow the gallery wrap process to be much easier and quicker for you or your finishing lab. With your image open and ready to print in Photoshop, you can choose to crop to a specific size or send the image to the plugin, allowing it to crop for you. First, select your canvas size. The presets are designed for a vertical composition, 8 by 10, 11 by 14, 16 by 20, up to 40 by 60, and by the way, you can change the reading underneath the pull-down menu to read millimeters, inches, or pixels. If you have cropped your image to a particular ratio, then you can choose the option at the top to Create Canvas at Image Size, and the plugin will automatically create the exact size that your image was set to. You can also create your own canvas size by clicking on the Add Canvas Size option. At the top, type in the name of your new size, and then type in the width and height. Click the Add button and add the new size to the list, and then Close to return to the plugin. Now you can choose your new custom size. The thickness option will be the edge or side of your stretched canvas thickness, and you can type in a specific size. Extend your overall canvas size using the amount of extension to ensure you have enough canvas for stretching. The thickness effect, which will be the edge, will allow you to choose these options starting with Image. And notice how the entire image is now extended onto the canvas side edges. Soft Image will diffuse or soften the edges. Reflection will mirror the image, and Soft Reflection will diffuse the reflected edges. There's also white, black, and you can choose your own custom color. Click on Select Color and use the color wheel for hue, saturation, and value, or the RGB sliders for a specific color. The Add Crop Marks option will add crop marks to the final print that will allow you or your finishing lab to align the canvas frame easily. Now that you have your options selected, choose the Execute button. Choose the IPF printer and Execute button again. This will generate a full canvas wrap image and hand it off to the IPF print plugin. In the main tab, make sure your canvas paper is set, and in the page setup, you will need to use a canvas size large enough to print your image with edge thickness, extension, and crop marks. It's a good idea to add 5 or 6 inches to your original image size. Create custom paper sizes as needed, and then select Print. Now you're ready to send your canvas to your finishing lab or stretch the canvas yourself. The new imagePROGRAF Layout plugin saves you time and money in today's workflow, allowing you to easily generate custom gallery wrap images.